Hello, hello all. Today we'll see most widely used Eclipse shortcuts for Java. For that, first we'll open Eclipse. Then in this folder, what we'll do in the Selenium sessions, we'll create one class, name it as shortcuts for Java. Here, I will not take main method. Just click on finish. Here you can see that I want main method, but I forgot to add in my source file. Now what we'll do, control space. This is here you can see that from this we can select main method, just double click is here you can see that main method got added. To add this, the shortcut key is control plus space. Okay, now what we'll do, I want to print something. Instead of writing system.out.println, what we'll do, SYSO and control shift and then enter. Here you can see that the whole system.out.println got printed or displayed on the Eclipse. Now I want to print hello. Here SYSO plus control plus shift plus enter for system.out.println. Now, if I want to change this to uppercase, then select that, then Control Shift X. Here you can see that it's now in capital letters. If you want to do it in small letters, select Control Shift and Y. So, Control plus Shift plus X for capital and Control plus Shift plus Y for small letter. Now let's say I'll create private int id, then private int password. And I want to add getters and setters for this. Instead of writing getters get set, what we'll do, go to source and generate. Here you can see that generate getters and setters. Click on this. Here you can see that either you can select both of, if you want to get create getters and setters for both of these variables, you can select. If you want for any one, you can do that also. Now I'll select both the options and generate. Here you can see that both getters and setters are got created here. Now here what I will do, source plus generate getters and setters. Now here you can see that control plus plus control plus plus zoom out and control minus 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 for zoom in. We'll do that. Control minus minus. Okay. Okay. If I want to format this code, then place the cursor anywhere in the source code, then Control Shift F. You can see that Control Shift F for formatting. These are the and let's what we'll do now. We'll create one scanner class here. Scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. Now instead of going here, then select the import. Instead of doing that, just place the cursor here, then Control Shift O. You can see that the import statement has been added here. So Control Shift plus O for importing import statements. This one is really helpful, right? Now here you can see that, let's say I'm on line number 18 and I want to jump to line number 36. For that we have one shortcut. Let's say Control L. Here you can see that you are on line number 20 and I want to, here you can see that it shows one of 38. I mean 38 lines are present. If I want to move to 38 line, press right on 38, go line. Here you can see that you are on 38th line. So Control plus L to get desired or to shift to desired line. Now one more is there, that is Control plus O. Here we'll see what Control plus O. Here you can see that there are so many methods are there. Instead of scrolling down your window, just press Control O, and I want to go to main method. Just here you can see that now you're on main method. So Control O is for to shift to desired method, right? Once again we'll Control Shift format. Yes. Now one more, which one I have like control line control. Okay, one more thing, rename. Let's say here you can see that I have named this instance variable as id and now I want to change it to any other name. So instead of going here, changing here, and you have here, what we do, just double click here. It shows what here, this id. If you want to rename this, then for this one shortcut is there, that is Alt Shift R. Wait a minute, just double click on this, then Alt Shift R. Here you can see that options, open rename dialog. Now id, I want to change it to id1, then save it. Here you can see that in your code, wherever there is a ID, it has been changed to now ID1. It's interesting, right? Now here I'll write Alt plus Shift plus R to rename. Right. This is also very useful. Now here you can see that there are so many source file codes are there. Now if I want to switch from here, what we'll do, just go there and click on that. Instead of doing this, we have one shortcut for this. For that, first you need to go to Window, then Preferences, then here in this General, this is select this General, and then Keys, then here Next tab, right, Next tab. Now you want anything you can provide here. Now I am comfortable with Control tab, then apply and close. Now you can see that instead of doing this, just I'll do Control tab. Here you can see that it's okay like this. Now what we'll do for that, Control, go to Window first, right, Window, then do Preferences, Window to Preferences. Okay, it's not plus. We'll Window to Preferences, then General, Keys, Next tab, give anything that is comfortable for you. I mean, you have to give some Control tab, Control Shift, or Alt X, Alt Z, anything. Then after that, apply and close. Right. These are some of the shortcuts that are available and mostly used shortcuts in Eclipse for Java. Last one is Control Shift L. Here you can see that it lists out all the shortcuts that are present in Eclipse. Right, you can go through this. So here I'll write it down. Control plus L lists all the shortcuts. Hope you understood and it helped you a lot. Thank you.